Hi everybody, here's Natalia from Mamatime Posh. Welcome. If you're new here, I am a reseller. I've been reselling for over 10 years, but obviously I started very part-time. Now I'm moving to more full-time, and I have a haul for you today. I wanted to show you some items I got and the deals I got at Poshmark to sell on Poshmark or thredup other places. So here's the box. Just got this thing. It's a pretty big box. Oh, see my messy room, but you know. Oh, that's cute. Somebody actually has prints the list of items. So good. I know how much I paid. Pretty well wrapped. So first item I got is those J. Crew. They look like flats, but they actually have like little wedge built in. They're all leather and a few minor scuffs in the front, but otherwise they look excellent condition. And actually I found this person on Poshmark. I found, I think, one of the items, and what I do if I find person who has really good deals, good brands for not expensive, I usually will check what else they have and then create a bundle, and you know. So those are $5, which I think I can probably sell them for around, paper is not as good as it used to be, but I still can get probably between $50 and $30 depending, but they are all leather. So next are those Betsy Johnson shoes. They're like sandals, very cute. They're leather, they have a little bit of wear. Oh wait, it's man-made. It looks like leather. Oh, they're pretty good looking fake leather, but they look pretty good. I just, you know, they also were $5, and I feel like with shoes you can always get at least 25 for something. And Betsy Johnson used to be better too. It depends on style. Some things are still very good, but you know, I don't really pick it up too often. But $5 and for shoes, that I thought it was pretty good. Next item, I got this cup. It's a Starbucks. Here. It's like a collectible, reusable cup. Has this embroidery looking thing here. Love. And I don't know if it's worth anything, but I mostly get it for me. I'll see. I will see. Some of them can be highly desirable. Sorry, I'm so close. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, get yourself together. Anyway, so next item are those Nanette Lepore shoes, pointy toe. We have a little pearl kind of stud here, and one here is missing. I think it's just that one missing. So what I thought is of going to one of those like Michael's or Joann's stores and replacing it, but otherwise they're in excellent condition. And I also got them for $5, size 8.5. I'm looking to sell them for about $50. Nanette Lepore is really expensive brand, but I don't really have huge luck with it, but I'm thinking maybe sending to thredup, because I do get pretty good deals for shoes there. You know, you can still make a little bit of money. Next shoes are Cynthia Rowley, like booties, and they are leather. What size is this? Size 9, and they're cute. They have zippers. And actually I always skip Cynthia Rowley, even though I do buy it sometimes for me. Like their cashmere sweaters are really good, but I looked those up and they're selling for about all kinds, you know, all over. Some are even up to 100, but from 40 up. So I thought I'll give it a try. I also paid $5. Let's see. Next, we have another pair of booties. And if you want to get booties, now is the time because that's when you get deals. Okay, so they're sterling is the style is Steve Madden booties. They're pretty cute. They have like little thing in the back and zipper, and I think that's just for decoration, and there's actual zipper here. They look really little worn, like maybe once. So I thought I would give it a try. $5 again. And what else do I have? Another pair of booties. You know, fall is coming. It's coming quick. I always pick up already fall earlier, because if you wait, then you're going to be behind. This is Lucky brand, little booties. They have little buckle opening, but I think you can just slip them on. But they're like genuine suede on the outside, but I think man-made lining, which is cracking a little, and I didn't know about it, but was not mentioned in the listing, but I did get them for $5. And Lucky brand booties in season I probably sell for like 25 to 45. So I'm looking, you know, at least to double my money and more. I mean, I'm sure I double my money at least. So next one is this. Actually, this is what started it all. Those shoes. And it said on the listing that they're Free People M4DE. But I think I looked it up and it was some, oh man, I don't remember now. It was a different brand that makes them. Maybe it says here, it's leather. No, it doesn't say, but I will look it up. But they look really nice. They have calf hair here, white leather, and they have that, what's it called? Platform. So I thought I'll clean them out and probably sell them for like 60. So that's it for